Hello everyone, my name is Fulchand Pawar. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I have done my bachelor degree from Savitribai Phule Pune University, 2024 pass out. One day I am searching job on the Naukri profile where I know about Evision. Then I will take the fully details about Evision, and then I will decide to join the Evision and fully internship program under the guidance of IT manager and administrator teams. Evision provide a lot of models such as basic networking, N plus, VMware, ITIL, CCNA networking, cyber security. In basic networking, I will learn about networking, router switches, OSI model. In Windows administrator, I am learning all the server part of related domain joining, configurations. In ITIL also learn ticketing tools, all related to, and also I got the industry based experience. Evision, thank you for Evision, because I got selected today within a 45 days. I choose Infosystem Pvt Ltd Pune with the best package. Thank you once again Evision and also my trainer and HR team. Thank you.